Hello friends, again we are here with the new topic carbamate, the insecticides and the most famous brand of the insecticide Baygon which contain the carbamate. Okay, so carbamate are the popular insecticide and it includes the LD carb, propoxer એટલે કે બેગોનમાં આવે છે એ, કાર્બારિલ, કાર્બોફુરાન, મિથાઇલમાઇન and the trialate and the bendio carb, etc. So these are the different carbamate compounds, but Baygon contain the propoxer. What is the mechanism of action? So carbamate causes the reversible inhibition of the acetylcholinesterase, due to which there is an accumulation of the acetylcholine at the muscarinic and the nicotinic receptor and in the central nervous system. Remember, mechanism of action of the carbamate is the same like a organophosphorus, but what is the change in the carbamate? That inhibition is a reversible, a reverse થાય છે, બરાબર? So therefore the carbamate compounds are the harmless rather than the organophosphorus. Harmful તો છે જ, પણ organophosphorus ની compare માં એ ઓછું harmful છે. Okay, so this is the act on specific muscarinic and the nicotinic receptor in the CNS, and same causes the reversible inhibition of the acetylcholinesterase. Okay, fatal dose. So when એમાં બે જાતના છે કે ભાઈ extremely toxic or the highly toxic કયા કયા છે? તો કાર્બારિલ, કાર્બોફુરાન, મિથાઇલોમાઇન and the propoxer. And the moderately toxic or the slightly toxic are the LD carb and the trialate. These are the fatal dose or the toxicity. Clinical features. So you can see the clinical features of the carbamate poisoning are same as the organophosphorus poisoning, because બંનેની mechanism of action same છે. આની અંદર પણ તમને જોવા મળશે કે acute sign and symptoms ની અંદર muscarinic effect જોવા મળે, પછી nicotinic effect જોવા મળે, central nervous system effect જોવા મળશે, intermediate syndrome જોવા મળે and the delayed polyneuropathy જોવા મળે. But carbamate causing the reversible inhibition of the acetylcholinesterase, therefore the sign and symptoms are the less severe than the organophosphate poisoning. આ વસ્તુ જ યાદ રાખવાની છે, બીજું કશું જ નહીં. બાકી same sign and symptoms like a organophosphorus poisoning. Okay, carbamate toxicity is a short lived and it hydrolyzes spontaneously from the site, કે ધીરે ધીરે એની toxicity ઓછી થઈ જશે, and it does not penetrate effectively into the central nervous system, so it produces the little or the no CNS toxicity. CNS toxicity બહુ જ ઓછી જોવા મળે અથવા little જોવા મળે. ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો ક્લિનિકલ ફીચર્સમાં? મેનેજ કેમનું કરીશું? decontamination. So skin, the affected part should be washed thoroughly with the copious use of the water. If there is a ocular infection, so copious eye irrigation with the normal saline or the tap water. If there is an ingestion, gastric lavage and the administration of the activated charcoal. And atropine is the competitive antagonist of the acetylcholine and the blocks the muscarinic manifestation. So mechanism of action the organophosphorus જેવી જ હોય. જો sign and symptoms organophosphorus ના જ હોય તો ટ્રીટમેન્ટ પણ organophosphorus ની જ હશે. So atropine આપવાનું છે. So the atropine should be given 2 mg IV promptly with the dose repeated every 10 minutes till signs of the atropinization are the evident. So what is the atropinization? So in the atropinization, remember, always you found the dry mouth, dilated pupils, patient એકદમ hot થતું હોય, perspiration બંધ થઈ જાય patient, and patient become a rowdy. That is the sign and symptoms of the atropinization. When the atropine level is the more into the body, that condition is known as a atropinization. Okay, so remember, only and only atropine is a antidote and itself a poison. When you give the large amount, it act as a poison. Okay, and oximes are ineffective in the carbamate poisoning and are not recommended. કાર્બામેટમાં એન્ઝાઇમ ઓક્ઝાઇમ ઇનએફેક્ટિવ છે, એટલે એટ્રોપિન આપવાનું છે પણ જે પ્રાલિડોક્ઝિમ જે ઓર્ગેનોફોસ્ફરસમાં આપીએ છે એ આપવાનું નથી. ઓકે, so this is the antidote of the carbamate is only and only atropine. Then you have to perform the supportive measurement. So if patient wants or the need is there, oxygen administration or the ventilator assistance, mental vital parameters, hydration, urine output, not more than the supportive. Okay, if you found patient is dead, you find the insecticides like smell from the body, froth at the mouth and the nostril, cyanosis, constricted pupils, congestion of the organs, pulmonary edema and the cerebral edema. These are the autopsy findings which you found in the case of the carbamate poisoning. Medico-legal importance. So accidental poisoning may occur. Suicidal poisoning is also common with this insecticide, and homicidal is rare as it is difficult to mask the smell of the insecticide. Okay, so I think it is very easy. In the every pesticides, the medico-legal importances are the same. Okay, so thank you very much friends. Again tomorrow we are come with the another agent of the pesticide, that is the pyrethrin, pyrethroid and the pyrethrum. Okay, so the value of the insecticide is for your study purpose. So organophosphorus and the organochlorines are the important, but this carbamate, pyrethrum, pyrethroid are the less important, but they are the ask into the viva examination. So and neglect nahi karvanu. Okay, again thank you very much friends.